Hi Travis, my name's Corey. Hazel actually told me to send the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how to actually get some more traffic to your site and get a lot more quality work as well. So I'm just going to browse through your site real quick. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So kind of browsing through your site. So really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need more content in there so that way we can layer those keywords of what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these images, what they're saved as, this is all a content back here. Google recognize this. You got repair. You can actually switch that out, but keywords back there, that's just going to help with your rankings even more. So that's your first tip. If I go inside of Google here and type in air conditioning repair Cape Coral FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. These are new to Google. They came up with these to get away from these old school ads. A lot of people have been trying to get away from ads because they've been spammy. So they came up with Google guarantees to help block out some of those spam calls. But they do get pricey still at the end of the day. I've seen ads anywhere from $30 to $140 depending on the areas. So imagine people accidentally clicking on it, which I actually did earlier. It was an accident, I promise. But yeah, they do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Anyway, so underneath these ads, we have this little map section here. This map pack here, really to get the rankings here, is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic rankings. Now, this is the first page of Google. This really comes down to having that authoric content on your website, plus being found from them keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. So if I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So going over backlinks here. Hang on one sec. So let me do a quick overview. You got 76 referring domains, which is pushing back 446 backlinks. Looks like you got this going back in 2013 or so. The PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads. I don't know if you're doing any TV, radio, commercials, things like that. I know those get pretty pricey as well. But coming in and seeing where these 128 clicks are actually coming from, these are the keywords on how you're actually being found. So you got SouthWest Heating and Cooling, get your name there. AC Repair Cape Coral, your third position, getting 11 clicks out of the 100. That's pretty good. You got air conditioning repair Cape Coral. There's 100 clicks, 7th position. You could get that one up a little bit more. Fort Myers air conditioning, 70 clicks, 7th position. Coming down here, you have all these other area locations that you're actually ranking for, but you're losing the rankings. So kind of coming in here to Fort Myers. Hang on. Air conditioning service, Fort Myers, 40th position. There's 40 clicks every month. You're 11th position, so you're missing all the traffic. And really coming in and finding these keywords that are actually going to boost those territories for you and drive more quality traffic. Kind of give you an idea. If I take Mr. Cool here and actually stick him inside of Ahrefs, AC repair Cape Coral, air conditioning Cape Coral, air conditioning repair Cape Coral FL. So there's 100, 200, 300 clicks. He's first position, so he's getting a decent amount of traffic just from those 3 keywords there. So really coming in, HVAC Cape Coral, and coming in and getting all these keywords, that's actually going to drive more traffic. I mean, what would another 130, 150 clicks do of quality traffic do for your business? But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and would love a free custom game plan to help you get there, reach back out to me or give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.